If you really want to know which low-priced car is your best buy, try this. Be detached. Take a detached view of all the cars in the low-price field and check the facts. Which car gives you all these? Fresh classic beauty, exciting sassy performance, body by Fisher quality, and the superior engineering that produced the Corvette V8. Which car? The new 57 Chevrolet. Yes, the new Chevy gives you more to be proud of, and your own detached checkup will prove it. Take a close-up look at Chevrolet. Here's real chrome, real aluminum grillwork, strong and firm. Check Chevrolet's finish, not enamel, but costly lacquer that stays smooth and color fast. Check Chevy inside. Here are useful fresh air window vents that roll open and shut. Comfortable stretching room, comfortable hip and hat room. Those are the facts. But don't forget the thrills, the sheer fun you'll have driving this king of the road everywhere. Why not look it over now at your authorized Chevrolet dealers? The more you look, the more you'll like the 57 Chevrolet.